Hello guys, unpacking. What did I buy in the butchery for barbecue today? Lots of meat. So let me show you. I'm so excited. Gonna celebrate with you 25,000 subscribers. Okay, let's go. Lamb shoulder chops. This is number one. That's my favorite part. Very soft and juicy because of the fat. Next one, lamb rump kebabs. Never tried this, the first time. So also juicy and yummy. Then eye fillet. It's aged one. So let's see. First time I tried, and the guy just sold it to me. He said it's so good. Yeah, look at the price. Should be good. Then I bought sausages. Yeah, 4 each. Pork and beef sausages. Nice, looks good. And pork. Yeah. That's all I bought. All the meat. And baguette. Looks good too. I'm gonna enjoy it. All this yummy food. I don't know. I will eat probably next 5 days. But it's all protein.